Welcome! Thank you for joining us for this training video. This video will show you how to assemble and clean the Heinz double dispenser. Prior to first use, we recommend that all parts be washed and sanitized. Separate cleaning instructions will be detailed later in this video. To begin assembling the dispenser, place the dome in the pump housing and fasten it by turning the lock ring around the parts until they engage. Push the upper check valve onto the upper inlet of the pump housing as far as possible. Make sure that the opening of the upper check valve is open. Then push the nozzle over it. Make sure that the opening of the nozzle is also open. If it is not, this will cause the pump to malfunction. Next, push the lower check valve into the lower opening of the pump housing. Fasten the check valve by hooking the two flaps onto the pegs of the pump housing. Put a new dispenser pack on a flat surface and locate the fitment area. Place the connector of the pump in the center of the fitment and firmly push the connector into the fitment until it snaps into place. Using both hands, lift up the dispenser pack and the pump. Let the dispenser pack slide down into the dispenser housing while guiding the nozzle into the mount on the top of the dispenser housing. Squeeze down the top of the dispenser pack and secure it in the two dispenser pack clips located near the top rear of the dispenser. This will keep the dispenser pack upright and may improve yield. To set up your second product, follow the same steps as your first dispenser pack. To attach the lid, hold the handle in its uppermost position. Guide the lid into place by inserting the back side first. Then press down on the front of the lid until it snaps into place. Make sure that the nozzle is in its proper place by pressing it up into the lid. Prime the pump by pushing the handle repeatedly until the product comes out of the nozzle. The dispenser is now ready to use. It is recommended that Heinz dispensers be disassembled and cleaned on a regular basis. To remove the lid, place a firm grip around the nozzle cover and lift the lid upwards, releasing the front side first. You can now unfasten the two dispenser pack clips and remove the dispenser pack and the pump from the dispenser housing. Disconnect the pump connector from the dispenser pack's fitment area. Next, remove the lower check valve, the nozzle, and the upper check valve from the pump housing, making sure to separate the nozzle from the upper check valve. Finally, remove the dome from the pump housing by unfastening the lock ring. The Heinz double dispenser must be cleaned on a weekly basis. Be sure to use a non-abrasive cleaner along with the enclosed cleaning brush to clean the pump. Failure to comply with any of these instructions may void the unit's warranty. All parts can be washed using warm water and dishwasher detergent. Use the cleaning brush to clean all areas of the pump housing. Fully rinse all parts of the dispenser with clear water and sanitize them in accordance with your local sanitization requirements. Once washed, allow all parts to fully air dry. Any parts in contact with food must be sanitized. To clean the dispenser housing and lid, simply wipe them with a clean, damp cloth.